Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Rainbow Investing, where we examine a spectrum of ideas to increase your long-term wealth. Now, tonight I want to do quite a simple video, but it really goes down to the bare bones of why you should invest. Now, most of it is done on my laptop, so we'll head over there in just a sec. But tonight we're going to talk about compound interest, because that's really the key to everyone's financial future. And if you want to have enough money in retirement, or really just save effectively, compound interest is the key, because this is the thing that Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world, and he said that those who understand earn it, and those who don't pay it. So that's why it's super important to really get your head around this. It's really financial education 101. And really just simple calculations will actually blow your mind. So just stick around for this video, because I promise you your mind will be blown by the simple things you can do with compound interest. And it can really make you very, very wealthy without too much effort, without you doing much effort at all. So if you haven't already, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel, and I think you'll be really surprised by the stuff I've got for you in this video. So stick around to the end and let's go. Okay, guys, so I've got a pretty simple compound interest calculator here. Now, you can find these all over the internet. This one's on the Australian government website. It's just the ASIC site, Money Smart, so you guys can check it out if you want. They've got a whole bunch of cool calculators and investing information, all that kind of stuff on here. But for now, let's have a look at the compound interest calculator. So here I've just assumed a really conservative savings plan of, like, say you've scraped together $5,000 and you've decided that every month you can afford to invest $500. So as you can see here, if you do this from when you're 20 to 65, so when you reach retirement age, if you do this, save up $500 every month and invest it, and this is just in an index fund, in a passive investment fund that normally gets an interest rate of between 8 and 10%, so I've just picked 9. If you do this and stick to this plan, by the time you are 65, you will have $3.396 million. So almost $3.4 million in the bank. And get this, this is the fantastic part. It will only actually involve you investing $270,000. So the rest of that money, that $3.1 million, is all from compound interest. Now that's the real kicker here. That's why it's so powerful. But as you can see here, it's really hard to tell the actual effect of it until quite late in the program. So all those light pink bars are all the money that's compounding on you. That's your money working for you. But you can see it only becomes a big part of the money you're actually saving or earning after about 20 years. But after that, it increases exponentially. All right, so we're just going to have a look at two other scenarios I've got here. So this is a really simple, this is a really low plan of where you just invest $40 a week, and you do it over the same period. So that's 45 years. So say you invest from when you're 20 to when you're 65. So that's $40 a week. It's not really going to break the bank. If you invest $40 a week into one of those passive investing index portfolios, you can expect to have over $1 million in your bank account by the time you're 65. So that's with $40 a week. So that's just over $5 a day. So you can actually earn $1 million just by depositing and investing $5 a day from when you're 20 to when you're 65. But what if, say, you want to live life to your fullest, only start saving and investing for when you're 30 instead of 20. So that means that compounding will only happen over 35 years instead of 45. Let's have a look at that. Wow, okay. So guys, what you're looking at is $449,000. So that 10 years of compounding makes all that difference. That's almost $600,000 just from that 10-year compounding. That's an incredible number. So if you start when you're 30 instead of 20, this is the difference that'll make. And that's just $40 a week. $40 a week. It's huge. And that's the power of compound interest. So that's why it's really important just to start saving when you're young, start thinking about investing when you're young, because even if it's a really small amount, it can make a huge, huge difference to you when you're older. So there you have it, guys. That's really what wealth building is all about, just harnessing this incredible power and understanding it and making it work for you. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. I'll be back with some more videos soon, but for now, good night.